Hi, today in front of me Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove just some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here, we should tap to edit icon. And here we'll see down section with all of the invisible icons. And for example, if you wanna add the screen record option or the microphone access to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. If you want to remove some of these options from here by the same way, you should just hold the icon and drag it to the down section. And to change their positions, we should hold and drag icons by this way. To save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.